So we're going to be looking at the correct answers for our Unit 2 test over here. Let's take a look at just the first question. Which statement below could be used to represent the algebraic equation 3x and then minus 4 and equals 11? So we're just going to look at each of these possible choices and see which one written in English would make this over here. 3 times a number, that's good, that's going to be my 3x. But then 3 times a number increased by 4, that's telling me to do plus 4, except I've got minus 4 over here. It's not answer choice 1. 4 less than 3 times a number is 11. So I've still got 3 times a number, that's my 3x. 4 less than, it looks like I've got a minus there, and then it all equals is 11. 2 could be good. Let's keep checking the others though, just to make sure. 3 times a number, that's my 3x. Less than 4, that's still a minus over there, is 11. So 2 or 3 look kind of similar, just they're flipped. One's just, I've got the 4 in front here, I've got the 3 in front there. Number 4, the sum of 3 in a number, I can cross that off. I do not want the sum of 3 in a number. That would be 3 plus x. I want 3 times a number, 3 times a number. So it's between 2 and 3. And this is kind of hard. You got to ask yourself and speak some English to yourself if you want to figure it out. Unless you just know that rule, which is whenever you see less than, yes, it means subtract. Less than, it means subtract, but it also means to change the order. It's just a weird way the English language works, but I've got 4 less than a number, it means I'm really doing that number minus 4. So anytime you see this word less than, you've got to do subtraction. I'll put subtract so you know it's not substitute. And you also need to change the order. So that means when I read 4 less than 3 times a number is 11, this less than is going to tell me to flip the order, and this will actually be written as what we've got right there, 3x minus 4 equals 11. The correct answer here is 2, even though it seems backwards. So just make sure anytime you see less than, to subtract, you also got to flip the order from what you've got in your sentence.